I knew I wanted to be a lawyer from an early age. My mom used to tell me that I like to argue, and I decided to take that skill set of talking back to become talking on behalf of. And so now I like to argue with passion, but I also like to advocate for my clients. My great-grandfather was a lawyer in Niger, South Africa. He advocated very heavily for rights of Black South Africans. And so that really inspired me to want to do something and make a difference in my life, which is in a large part why I chose to go to law school. I like helping people who have been injured or have been wronged because of someone else or because a business failed to do something right. If there's a business that failed to take an action and an injury resulted because of that inaction, I want to hold the company responsible. Every single client, I advise them and counsel them in their particular circumstances. If I can settle a case for a fair number, I will. But if the insurance company does not do the right thing, I'm just as ready to file the lawsuit and advocate for that client in a courtroom.
First impression was amazing. He had the greatest personality. He was on my case from beginning to end. His whole staff pitched in and they made it happen.
He was very attentive. He listened to everything that I had to say, all the problems, all my concerns, and he followed through on everything.
The most important job with any lawyer is to really get to know their clients and get to know who they are as a person, because that will translate into how this injury or this loss has affected that person.
He always kept me up to date on all the information. I never wondered about anything. I felt like there was a team. Anytime I had a question, I could always call the office. If Darren wasn't here, his assistant was here always to help me.
No matter what, if you say call me, they're gonna call you. Either it's a call or a text, you got it. Communication straight open. If I had any questions, concerns, or nervousness, they calmed my nerves. They actually become like family because you're talking to them like every other day, whether it's on the phone or email or text, like you're communicating with these people.
All of my clients have my cell phone. I text my clients regularly. My staff will email clients regularly. If a client calls me, they know they're gonna get me. Because my attitude is if you choose to hire me, you should have access to me. And I think the most important thing when choosing a lawyer is, do I feel comfortable with this particular person who's going to be advising me and advocating for me? You should choose someone who you feel has your best interest and who will do the best job for you.
I really love the fact that he let me stand my ground. Their clients are their main prerogative. I really, really appreciate him, his whole team, the law firm for working for me so hard.
Tobin Injury Law, they're gonna get the job done and they're gonna treat you more like family than just a regular Joe Blow client on the street.
Every person in every family that is being wronged deserves to be made whole. My team and I work as hard as we can every day, and we work hard so that we can make our clients' lives better than when they entered the door and first met us.